And welcome to the very first Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to give you a simple introduction to Kotlin programming language. So Kotlin programming language is used for Android development, which was developed by JetBrains. And if you want to learn Kotlin, then you should have a good understanding of Java. Now, but in this Kotlin course belongs to the beginners, and if you do not have any good experience in Java and want to learn Kotlin for Android development, then you are in the right place. So now in this tutorial, I will be talking about introduction to Kotlin. Then we will have why Kotlin was created, what was the main purpose to create Kotlin programming language, and then we will discuss some features of Kotlin programming. So now, first of all, Kotlin was developed by JetBrains, and JetBrains is a renowned company for development of different IDEs for different programming languages, for example, C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So the first IDE developed by JetBrains was IntelliJ IDEA, and that software was written in Java, and as Java took a lot of compilation time, so Kotlin was introduced. So the main purpose to create Kotlin was to boost the sales of the software IntelliJ IDEA. Then Kotlin is a statically typed programming language and which offers more features than Java, and it has also replaced Java for the Android development. Now, some main features of Kotlin. The first one is open source. It means that the Kotlin compiler and Kotlin IDE is free all over the internet, and you can download it from the main website, which is kotlinlang.org. Then we have another feature. So here we have plugins, Kotlin plugins. So for example, if you are using any other IDE, Java IDE, for example, if you are using Eclipse, then you can download Kotlin plugin and then you can run and compile your Kotlin code in Eclipse. Then we have interoperable with Java. Kotlin is interoperable with Java. It means that the code written in Java can be converted into Kotlin code. Then we have interoperable with Android. It means that first of all, Kotlin is declared to be the first language for Android development, and the Android code also runs smoothly in Kotlin, and you can use Kotlin to develop different Android application. Then we have concise and expressive. So concise means, for example, if you have written a code in Java that contains 10 to 20 lines, then you want to convert that code in Kotlin. So in Kotlin, the code will be concise. The code will be more expressive, and you will have a less number of lines of code, and you have to perform a little task. Then Kotlin is easy to learn. It means that the syntax of Kotlin is easy and you can learn Kotlin. And if you have the good understanding of Java programming, then well and good. But if you do not have, then follow my tutorials and you will learn Kotlin easily. Then tool friendly. It means that Kotlin is tool friendly. It can run and compile on any Java IDE. For example, we have talked about that Eclipse, and in Eclipse you can download Kotlin plugin to run and compile Kotlin code. So thank you guys for watching the video, and in the next tutorial I will set environment for Kotlin code and I'll download Kotlin plugin for Eclipse, and we will run and compile our Kotlin code in Eclipse. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.